NX2 GT, the ultimate connection between rider and board. The NX2 GT is our highest end binding that was designed with all mountain riding in mind. This stiff and responsive binding features our aluminum alloy rockered base plate and high back, as well as a carbon support panel for added rigidity. The base plate offers our 2.5 degree dual density bank beds with OC Cush for added dampening and reduced vibration. The NX2 GT is offered with either our 3D molded Fusion power strap that provides maximum support and energy transmission, or our hybrid power cap strap that is a mix between Flow's speed entry convenience and conventional 2-strap side entry, merging the best of both in this dual entry configuration. These bindings also feature our locking slap ratchets, or LSR, for fast and easy adjustments on the go, which lock in place and stay in place. The NX2 series of bindings also feature our active strap technology. This means that when you open the reclining high back, a simple system actively opens up the strap, and this same system also tightens the strap automatically when you close the high back. All Flow bindings feature our 3 core technologies: the original reclining high back, Flow power straps, and the Flow power triangle, making Flow bindings an industry leader. If you are looking for a stiff, responsive binding, the NX2 GT may be for you.